There's Sweetie. Slow down there. Look. Slow down. There's Sweetie in Cambridge. Okay. There she is. Cycling in Cambridge. All right. Had fun, Sweetie? Look at our view. Cambridge. Stay left. Stay left. Stay left. Stay left. Stay left. Look, earlier we were here, isn't it, Sweetie? The college, the St. John's College. There's Sweetie. Oh, there's Sweetie. That's the Old Saints Passage. And this, oh look, Sweetie, this one you can take a picture now because, yeah, go to the right a little bit. That's it. Just stop there. Oh, you don't have to go. Keep going. Just go straight. Ah, look at this lovely building. There's Sweetie. I know, right? Stay left, car Sweetie. Oh, the bell. There's King's College. That's the church. You can hear the bell. King's College, unfortunately, is being redone. All right, let's go back to the car. Sweetie's there. Huh. Good ride, Sweetie. Huh? All right, come on, let's go back. All right, see you later, Sweetie. See you later, Cambridge. Bye.